Howdy, y'all. Sound probably going to be not good. Lighting, not good. But vacation shave. So, PAA Black Label. Just have to take my word on it. With matching after spray. Little travel brush. 18 millimeter. It's adequate. What did I bring on vacation? The Razor Rock Hawk V2. Why? I'll show you why. Single edge blades. You can load in backwards. So right now I have the sharp end up. So I don't have to unwrap anything. We'll turn it around. And we'll get started. I'll throw a few pictures of the resort in somewhere. Brush. A little dippy. And then I'm just going to do this. Don't take much. Plenty. We got 30 days growth. I know. Weather here is cloudy. Water here is clear. As the old Jimmy Buffett song goes, weather is here, I wish you were beautiful. I'm way overloaded. More. And more. We're going to go ahead and get cracking. As DC Shaves would say. So, how has everyone been? Me? I've been testing my liver. So far, it's holding up. As you can see. Like I said, very overloaded, a little bit thick. slick. Just about to go down and get some coffee. This resort don't have a full bar open 24 hours. It's kind of odd. But, so I really can't have my Bailey's and coffee or Kahlua. Yeah, that's it, Kahlua and coffee in the morning. One thing about this resort, it's an adults only. And actually at this one, you know, they always have activities. At the resorts, not many people really participate in the activities. This one, there's a lot. People participating, so it's good. I think you have to sanitize your hand every 5 feet. Which is fine, I'd rather be safe than sorry. Every time you go into the restaurants, sanitize your hands. Every time you go into the buffet area, sanitize your hands. Except I'd much rather be safe than sorry. Oh, wrong way. Sorry. Not really. I do like the PAA Black Label. It is an homage to Sauvage, which is, I think, Becky's favorite cologne for me to wear. Works. We got out on some of the piers yesterday. I got a couple of piers at this resort. Saw some fish. I tried to take up a crab. That little sucker went right down the hole, and I think I dug down about 2 feet and said, I ain't gonna get to him. Haven't seen any iguanas yet. Which is odd. Let's see if I can get the little shrimp here. For September, once again, I'm going to be doing Sterling September. Yay! All right, I'm basically just going to get clean. cleaned up a little bit here. Let me drain the sink. It takes a high-tech device in order to get it to drain. Yep, see how high-tech that was? Little wrench. A little spritz. All right, recap. Travel size PAA black label with the matching aftershave. The brush, little 18 millimeter synthetic. I think I got this in a stand for like $12. I think that's a bad price. The razor is the RazoRock Hawk V2. The blade was a Feather Professional first use. Turn it backwards so I can travel with it. Everyone, that's it. Be good, be kind, be nice to each other. Don't you be a pain in my butt. And until next time, Jim's out.